एग्जाम में आए हैं और उनको मैं बताऊंगा किस प्रकार से आपने ट्रिक के साथ 1 सेकंड में सवाल करने बेसिक जरूरी होगी। आइए करते हैं सवाल। हमारा पहला सवाल है ये, A and B are such event that this is equal to this and here probably A union B. A union B at least of one. A union B means either A or B, either one or it is at least one of them. This is mean at least one of them. जब भी at least one of them लिखा जाए तो इसका मतलब A union B है। और A union B means either A happens or B happens or both happen, मतलब at least one of them should happen. So whenever any of them happens, this is okay, and this is the sample space here. Neither of them, then outside. This outside means A. This is the neither of this nor this. That will happen to that. This is here it is, and this is the intersection of both of them. Common of them will be the neither of this. This is we will be using this type of concept now in the question. So पहला मेरा सवाल आपके सामने यहाँ पर A और B दो इवेंट है और इस प्रकार के सवाल दे रखे हैं और मुझे निकालना है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दिस वन। तो पहला ये प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ A ऑब्लिक B का मतलब है ये हमारी डेफिनेशन, दिस इज देयर। सो व्हाट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ A this complement, this is equal to probability of this intersection this divided by probability of B naught. What is probability of B naught? तो बताऊंगा पहले इसका मतलब ये लगा रहा हूँ फार्मूला, ये फार्मूला means A union B complement. This is equal to this, and this means 1 minus probability of A union B and divided by 1 minus probability of B. This is equal to, this is given to is 1 over 3 and this is given 1 over 5, 4 by 5. So answer comes to 5 by 12. Do we have 5 by 12? Yes, the answer is this. This is the concept. Remember we have used the two concepts here. What is the conditional probability of A oblique B is equal to intersection and divided by probability of B. Second one, the De Moivre's law. A इंटरसेक्शन तो यूनियन होगा और टोटल कॉम्प्लीमेंट होगा और यूनियन होगा तो इंटरसेक्शन होगा. These two rules we are going to apply again and again. Secondly, I said at least one of them happens being the union and none of them means this intersection, B intersection, this is none of them. Neither A nor B will be there in that case. So this is the one question that I discussed. Second question I come to. Let A and B were two events. Okay, what these two events are? Probability of A union B is equal to 5 by 6 and probability of A and B is equal to 1 by 3. Probability of B naught is equal to 1 over 2. Then find the value of probability of A oblique B. Again conditional probability, friends. Again conditional probability. The answer is equal to probability of A, probability of B, probability of B oblique downward this, or probability of A divided by probability of B. Well friend, A union B. I know probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. This formula you should know, additional formula of the probability we have done. So these values given is equal to 5 by 6. Here is probability of A. I am going to find A B naught is equal to half minus 1 over 3 is equal to 5 by 6, and this is probability of A and plus here 6 is equal to 1 over 6. This is 5 by 6 minus 1 over 6. Probability of A is equal to 6 here, 2 by is 1 by 3. It is a 4 by 6 and is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3. 2 by 3. What is 2 by 3? Probability of A is equal to 2 by 3. What is probability of B is equal to half. Probability of this is equal to this 5 by 6 here and 1 by 3 and 1 by 2, 1 by 2 here, 1 by 3 minus 6 here, 3 minus 1, subtracting from this here, probability of A I got here 4 by 2 by 3 I got. Okay, this is This is equal to probability of A, 2 by 3 probability of A oblique B is equal to probability of A और तो निकाला ही है तो क्या करना क्या होगा? The choices are, I am just rubbing up the choice and okay, probability of B oblique probability of A, probability of is equal to this is 2 by 3 is equal to probability of B oblique of A, एक ही निकाली है हमने, एक ही निकाली है. अब मुझे probability of A oblique B निकालनी है is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. This is equal to intersection is equal to 1 by 3 and is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, this is there. So I just write again probability of A. The question was this is equal to 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. So therefore its value is equal to what? Probability of A is equal to this. I just had idea. Probability I just found the probability of A and I found the probability of A oblique B and therefore I got the answer. So this is the question that has come in the examination. Now look at the another question. Quickly we'll go to another question here. That is one question that is if probability that at least one of the event of A and B is occur is 0.6. This is at least one of the question says that at least one of these occur. Here probability that at least one of the events that A and B they occur, A and B occur is A and B occur is 0.6 means probability of A into union B is equal to 0. This is means this and if occurs simultaneously and occurring simultaneously okay, this is with probability is equal to what? 0.2 means probability of A intersection B is equal to 0.2. Then it says probability of A naught plus B naught is equal to what? Choices are 0.4, 0.8, 0.1, 0.2 and 1.4. What is probability of this is equal to 1 minus probability of A plus 1 minus probability of B, right? 2 minus probability of A and plus probability of B. I look forward to find this value. Here A union B probability is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. How to find this? Minus probability of A intersection B. This is equal to 0.6. This is equal to plus 0.2 is equal to this. This is equal to 0.8. 0.8. 2 minus 0.8. 2 minus 0.8 is equal to 1.2. And here answer is equal to 6. So you are using the complements of the two units A and B and the A. This is a formula that you are using. दोनों चीज यूज कर रहे हैं. तो आपने याद रखना है कि ये सवालों को किस प्रकार के सवाल आते हैं. आपने ये सवाल देखने हैं. I go to another question, similar question to do. I'll go to simpler. These questions which I am doing, they have been asked in NDA examination. आपके NDA के सवाल. If elect E and F are the two events, two independent events, they want to underline the word independent events. These events are independent events. The probability that both E and of F occur, okay, happen is 1 by 12. And probability neither of E nor F happens is 1 by 2. What is the probability of E plus probability of F is equal to? Choices are 7 by 12, the 1 by 2, 5 by 12 and D is equal to 1 by 12. So friend, I go with this. what is the probability that both happens is equal to both E and F opens to is 1 by 12. That neither this nor this is equal to 1 by 2. This can be written as De Morgan's law. This means this is equal to 1 by 2. It means probability of E and F is equal to 1 by 2. What is the probability of E and F is equal to probability of E plus probability of F minus probability of E and probability of E intersection F. Now this I want to find out. This is given here, probability of E plus probability of F. Since they are independent here. They are independent. So what is the independent? The probability of E and F दे रखा, मुझे क्या करना है independent का? I not to bother about it when they are independent. So this is equal to probability of E minus 1 बटे 12 happens like this is equal to 1 by 2. And I don't know independent when the two events are independent, the probability of E into F is equal to probability of E into probability of F. एक बात और बता दूं, जब ये इंडिपेंडेंट है, E और F इंडिपेंडेंट है, तो जरूरी बात होगा E नॉट और F नॉट भी इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे. E और F नॉट भी इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे, E नॉट और F भी इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे. यदि E और F इंडिपेंडेंट है तो ये वाली बात भी होगी. So here we go. So this is equal to what? Therefore probability of E and probability of F is equal to क्या होगा? Is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 over 12. Answer is 12 here, 6 and 7. 7 by 12. So my answer is A here. So this is the question. But I didn't use the independent because I don't know why the independent given here. That's the point. When this is the one. There is a one question here. Let me go to the next question. The question has been asked in NDA. अगला सवाल. अगला मैं सवालों को करूँगा. मैं अगली एक वीडियो और लूँगा. इससे नहीं होगा. और सवाल करवाऊँगा. यहाँ पर सवाल कह रहा है if E1 and E2 they are the two events. और एक बात और E2 is part of E1, subset of this, then probability of E1 oblique E2 is equal to what? Choices are probability of E1, probability of E2, probability of E1 upon probability of E2 and 1. That is one question. This is the question that we want to do. Here is the one E and F event that has been like this, E and with two events, and these two events are as such. So we have got that is the question to go. आइए दोस्तों, इस सवाल को करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? आओ हम पहली बात ये है कि हमने ये किसके बराबर होता है? Probability of E into 1 intersection E2 divided by probability of E2. ये आ गया. अब क्योंकि E2 इसका पार्ट है, E1 और E2 पार्ट है, तो इसका इंटरसेक्शन होगा वो सिर्फ इसका दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन E2 होगा. और दोस्तों कट के इसका आंसर इज इक्वल टू 1. ये इसका सवाल था. ये सवाल था, आसान सवाल एनडीए में पूछा गया है कि E1 E2 है, तो यहाँ पर E2 जो है इसका यहाँ पर सबसेट है, तो इंटरसेक्शन E2 होगा और इसका आंसर इज 1. सो दिस इज द वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन दैट इज देयर इन दैट. मेरा अगला सवाल है, इफ A and B are the two events, there are two events. What type of events, friends? Probability of A naught is equal to 0.3 and probability of B is equal to 0.4 and probability of A and B naught is equal to 0.5. We have to find the answer of A, B oblique A intersection B naught. What is the answer? Choices are 0.6, 0.7, 0.8 or friend 0.9. The questions are, these are the questions. I'm near to the what I want to teach. I'm near to it. I want to say those questions. I'm just near to the end of the probability, and hopefully you might understand what type of question I am doing, and I will be doing more about it. Let's say what this means. This means probability of B intersection A, this B intersection, this was union. The A union B1 this divided by probability of A union B this thing. This part is. This is here it is. Well, I go with the question now. What is the B intersection A union B? This will be B, okay, intersection A and union B intersection this thing. This is equal to 5. This is nothing but A intersection B. This is equal to probability of A intersection B. Nothing where this is here. That is all about it. Well, friend, what I am going to do is two events, probability of this, हमारे सवाल ये आ गया. What is the probability of A and B is equal to? Probability of happening of or B not means probability of that means we are talking about the A and B. This is A and this is. He says A intersection B complement means there is A. This means probability of A minus the A intersection B. Look friend, here it is. This means probability of A minus. Probability is 0.4 and this is equal to 0.5. This is equal to 0.5 here. So friend, I can find the intersection. What is the intersection? B is equal to point of this is equal to 0.5, and when I say this thing, question says 0.4, and I find the negative answer this. B, I find B intersection A and intersection is equal to 5, A union B, point was sorry. This A is not 4. Probability of this is equal to A is equal to what? 0.7. So this is equal to 0.7. So probability of here, probability of A intersection union B is equal to, this is equal to 0.2. So this is equal to 0.2. We found this is equal to 0.2. This is here. What is A union B complement? I talked to you. What is the probability of A union B complement? I want to find the answer. So here A union probability of A plus probability of B complement plus minus probability of A intersection B complement. I'll find probability of 7, probability of B naught is equal to what? 0.6 minus probability of A and B is equal to 0.5. This is equal to 0.8. This is, we found this, we found A union B, we found is equal to 0.8 and this is equal to 0.2. So we have the 0.2 divided by the 0.8, something we made, this is the answer we wanted. So this is the one answer. We have 0.7, 0.4 and A is equal to, I find A union B. My point was union here. This is equal to this is equal to 0.7, this is equal to B, probability is equal to 4, sorry, this is equal to 0.6, so this is equal to 0.6 here, 0.6 and 0.2, this is 0.4 here, 0.7 minus 0.5 is equal to 11.6, so here we go is a 1 over 3, 1 over 3. So somewhere we made mistake, but my point is we have to go along the same manner. We have to find intersection and we have to find these values. So this was question. Here we use the two concepts, distributive law of addition and ek. This. What is two events are given? Probability of A is equal to 0.7. Probability of A and B naught is given equal to 0.5. Then find the probability. I am just revising the concept again. I revise the concept again. I have got The answers are 0.1, B is equal to 0.2, C is equal to 0.3, D is equal to 0.4. Look here, this is my sample space, this is A, this is B, and this is what is A minus B is equal to, this is B, A minus B, this is the happening of A and not happening, this is equal to probability of A minus probability of A intersection B is probability of A not B. Here, this is equal to 0.7 minus probability of A and B is equal to 0.5. Therefore, probability of A and B is equal to 0.2. That is the answer. So, earlier question I just figured out and I said how to find, and these are given, and how to find this A intersection B is the one I found in earlier. Second case हमने पता लगाया था कि how to, when B is known to us, how to find the union of this. That is the one point. So this was the one question, and last question I am going to do now is which has been like this only. Let's if probability of A and B is union B is equal to 0.9 and probability of B is equal to 0.4 and A and B are independent events. Okay, this is here. Then what is the probability of A is equal to? Choices are 1 by 6, B choice is 1 by 2, C choice is 1 by 8 and D is equal to 5 by 6. Friend, this question given to you, what is probability of A union B is equal to 0.9, probability of B is equal to 0.4 and A and B are independent event, then find the probability of A. That is the one to do. So the question is to find out the value of probability of A. They are independent. Independent means probability of A and B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. This is being independent. Okay. Union means what? Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B, that means multiplying, is equal to 0.9. Probability of A union B is equal to B is 0.4. So this is equal to A plus 0.4 minus 0.4 into probability of A is equal to 0.9. So therefore, this is 1 minus 0.4, 0.6 into probability of A is equal to 0.5. Therefore, probability of A is equal to 0.5 by 0.6 and I got 5 by 6, which is the D is the answer. So friend, I used here A union B, probability of A minus A and B. I and B is a value put करी and you get the answer. Hopefully you get the question based on this, and these questions based on the simple topic of conditional probability. I'll be doing one video more on probability tomorrow, and that will be more question based on this type of the question. Thank you.